So for today's video I have a little unboxing for you. I recently received a Betty box from the company themselves and they asked me if I would be happy enough to unbox it for you and just share my opinion. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. I really hope you enjoy, and if you have any questions at the end of this video about the brand or whatever that I haven't answered, then feel free to leave a comment down below. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me, and without further ado I'm just going to get into the unboxing. Today we are unboxing a Betty box. Now I have just taken everything out of the box because I wanted to see it before I start talking, but this is what the packaging usually looks like. It also did come with a special cover on, as each month's box has a different theme, and this is the June box, and the theme for this month was celebrating 100 years of women having the vote, which I think is a really cool theme to have, and obviously something that needed to be celebrated this year. So just a bit of background information for you. Betty box is aimed at teenagers. It's a period box, so for that time of the month when you just feel rubbish, this is then going to be perfect for you. It was also the UK's first period monthly subscription box as well, and it is designed obviously to make it less scary for teenagers, especially like for younger teenagers I would say, when it's all a little bit new. And yeah, every month it doesn't just come with your period essentials, it also has obviously some nice treats and stuff in here which I have seen. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to show you everything that you would receive in the box, and if you do want to purchase one for yourself, like sign up to the subscription, you can get 20% off your first box using the code BB20. Okay, so in the box, obviously like I said, you will get your essential items, but they also do throw in a little bit of a treat as well for you. So there's some tea, this is Zerba Ying, and then there is also some orange milk chocolate in there, which yum. And then they also throw in a couple of extra little gifts for you. So the first thing I have here is from the Beauty Crop, and this is a mascara. I did not think this was a mascara when I opened it. I thought it was a lip gloss, but it is. And first of all, the packaging of this is great, and then the wand just looks like this, so I'm really looking forward to using this. And I think it's really important on that kind of week or whatever it is, just to still feel good, and putting a bit of mascara on of course can help with that. Then they also included some shower body wash, whatever you want to call it. This is geranium and peppermint from Green Frog Botanic, and this is also vegan and cruelty free, so if that's really important to you then that's perfect. They also include a scent stick. These are just the products for this month, obviously it does change up every month. But this is just like a scent stick, so basically it actually reminds me of a little bit of a highlighter, and then the scent you can just put it onto your wrist or wherever you want your scent, and it honestly smells absolutely amazing. It's from Scent Republic, if you want to obviously buy this separately, but yeah, it smells really good. The final two treats are also a nail polish from Maggie Ann, and this is in Argentina, nice silver shade. And then also they included some hairbands for this month's theme, which just say women bring all the voters into the world, equality is the time is now, votes for women, and then obviously the little female sign. And if you know me, I love a good hairband. I always have one on my wrist, so to receive some more it's absolutely perfect, and I wear my hair up all the time anyway. And then you also get some things for your period, so you get 2 boxes for nighttime. I'm not going to take them out just now because they are packaged up really lovely, but yeah, these are just for nighttime. You get quite a few in here, so you can choose what size, shape, whatever works for you. You can try these out obviously. And then they also give you a bag for the daytime, which has got loads and loads in here. Also it's a really nicely packaged bag as well, so obviously the bag can be reused, and yeah, they just kind of make everything a lot more less scary, much more friendly, and also inviting, I guess. So like I said, the theme for this month is the 100 years since the suffrages and women getting the vote. So I just thought I would tell you a little bit more about the theme, as they did provide me with some information that I think is really important to share. So all the products in this box were created by female founders, co-founders, or are Processions limited editions, and like I said, the box was wrapped in their colourful packaging like this for this month's theme. Honestly, I think the concept of this box is a really good idea. Also, it's delivered straight to your door, so it's not like you have to go out collect everything, buy all these things separately. You just get it delivered to you when you want it as well, which is perfect. It's really affordable as well when you kind of work out the value of the products you're getting in this box for the price that you're paying. So this box does retail for $12.99 a month. They've obviously got loads of discounts on their website if you sign up for longer subscriptions, such as 3 months or 6 months. You will obviously save money. And I remember when I went to the Shout Hangout event, they had a stall there, and the woman who I spoke to there was absolutely lovely. So they are a really great brand. Like I said, you receive a variety of different products each month. I have looked, some months you get like some incredible makeup, some stationery. Like I said, this time you got hairbands and stuff like that. So there is a variety, and of course it always will change up. Like I said, if you do want 20% off, there will be a code in the description box. Use BB20. But yeah, that is kind of the box and everything I have to say. If you do have any more questions about the box, let me know down below. But I really hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a massive thumbs up, and if you're new around here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!